Hey, so now we're at another project on the go. I'm going to be doing a belt sander. I'm going to turn it on its side. So I'm going to try to film this. I'll show you, turn the camera around. Okay, so there's just a Mastercraft belt sander. It's a 4x36. So what I'm trying to do is turn it on its side, and so I can get the full amount out of it. I need at least 16 inches to sand down a guitar neck. So I want to use all that surface. So I'm going to turn it on its side and make a base that's 90 degrees to it. It'll just be more versatile, I think, that way than it is now. It has this thing here, right here, this base plate. You can take this off, take this thing, turn it up 90 degrees, and then put this thing around the other side. And it does 90 degrees, but you only can use about maybe a little over half of the belt, so I want the full thing. So I'm gonna film this as best as I can. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I don't have any stands or anything, so I'm gonna try to put this phone somewhere, and I'll edit this later to make it a little shorter, so you don't have to go through all the stuff. Now where to put this? Yeah. I don't know if this is going to work. Maybe over here. Trying to do this one hand is going to be crazy. So anyway, what I've done is I put this bracket there on the edge of that board. That's going to be the base plate, the main base plate. I put a square on, speed square, so make this 90. I've got one screw in there, and I'm going to attempt to put the other screw in there. I don't know if I can. Yeah, this thing won't stay up. I don't have a kickstand on this phone. Anyway, I'm going to put the other screw in there. Going to do the same thing to this stand. And then I've cut out these pieces of wood that fits under the belt sander. And I cut notches out so the 90 degree brackets will go underneath for the bottom level. And then I'm going to put another top level over these two pieces. See, I got another thing cut out of there. So anyways, this is what I'm going to do.